Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Liana from Barbie and the Diamond Castle in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the outfit and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to toggle it back and then color it with this color, this one. And you're going to put on this flower and color it pink. And the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room or the dressing room here, and I'm going to select the corset from the witch set. So make sure you have purchased this corset, and I'm going to apply the pink color. This is for the color code that you can apply to the corset. Oops, sorry. Okay, just like this guys, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. But sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, it's done. Oops, sorry, I forgot one more item from here. I'm going to go to the currency item and choose the skirt, and you're going to make it glitter for the first until the third selection. And for the color, you can color it with this gold color for the third selection and apply this gold color to the second selection, and for the first selection you can color it with this pink color. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area. It's right here, and then I'm going to select the skirt right here and color it with the same pink color. Oops, sorry, change the toggle to only skirt. And then I'm going to apply the same pink color for the second and also the third selection. And again, don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, and I'm going to apply the skirt as well and make it pink. Okay, and then change the material to glitter. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to this area right here and select the sleeves and make it glitter, then apply the same pink color. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this heel and I'm going to apply the same pink color. Okay, and then if you have VIP, you can put on this item. And wait, I'm going to color it with this light pink. Okay, and then the last one, I'm going to go to the necklace area and I'm going to put on this necklace, this one. Okay, and then change the toggle to 2, and then for the necklace I'm going to color it with this purple color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Liana from Barbie and the Diamond Castle. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!